How to hide message notifications on Instagram. Sometimes you might want to hide your notifications for privacy while you are in public. So, in this video, you will learn how to hide your message notification, call notifications, and other notifications as well. To do that, first of all, go in your Instagram and you will see an interface like this. After going through an interface like this, you can see at the bottom right side there is your profile given. And when you tap on it, you will again see an interface like this. And in this page, go on the top right button. You will see there are 3 vertical lines. When you tap on this and click on Settings and Privacy, you will see many options right here. But among these many options, you should click on the second option, that is Off Notifications. So if you turn the button of Pause All, there will be options for you like 15 minutes, 1 hour, 2, 4, 8. Just choose any one option if you want to pause this all for certain hours. If not, then just turn it off. But you can automatically mute the notification for your post, stories and comments like this, also for your messages and also for the calls, for the reels, and everything are here. So just you should enable and disable the button. This is how you turn on and turn off the notifications. I hope this video helped you. If you liked our video, then please do subscribe our channel. Thank you.